Thank you. We got a quick announcement, guys.
Go to the Donald Taylor to go to the Bushwhacker booth over there. Your car door was left open, and the sheriff would like to talk to you to make sure that there wasn't anything gone. So Donald Taylor, if you're up here, please go to the information booth.